a big hunch that the world was a big lie. When I got up, all the blood to my head, I got so dizzy, fell back into my bed. I went over to the west side, looking for the high tide. What will I find? Will I find? Will I find? All I saw was a man that had a hat that had a pom-pom. He's been there for years, cause someone told me how long. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show me what I could not find. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show me what I could not. You see, this woman woke me up at 2:45, and I didn't know it then, but she put a spell on me. Said I had to go down to where the cliffs meet the sea and meet an old man to present my plea. So I headed way down to the big pier to where it had come from, my big fear. I went around behind to my blind side to find an old man with the lime and the condom. Said, Mister, what you been so long? What you been saying, tell me, just where I'm going. He called into the live, then he into the light. I said, this is all I really need to get by. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show me what I could not find. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show me what I could not. Well, hey, Mr. Man, well, I know you don't know who you think I am, but I can safely say that I should have been sleeping the day always. Hey, hey. I said, excuse me, have you got the time? He shrugged his shoulders, said, get a spine. Coconut hit me on the head, jonesing for a pick. I got booked last night, I need another fix, dick. Just then I see a twinkle, twinkle in the old man's eye, and a wave tossed bottle is thrown to the sky. I caught it on the rebound and landed with a soft sound. I took out the message, put the bottle down. Inside was an antidote to the spell, and I read it to the man cause he couldn't read so well. He said, don't worry about a thing, you know your path is true. Just ease your mind, have a banana or two. Well, goodness, woe is me. The man nearly flipped to learn that he was free, but just before he left he started kicking in. I picked up the bottle and Scott 6-stick. Kick, shuffle, back to the beats with the tune on my lips and my question reach. That woman comes to you with the song so sweet. Said, damn, let the poor sucker sleep. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show me what I could not find. Wake up to tell me, wake up to show